You might watched a lot of videos online about adding light trace to a straight light photo, but this is the quickest and most customizable method. Create a gradient adjustment layer, select this black and white gradient and hit OK. Let's call it light and convert it into a smart object. Change its blend mode to linear touch it. Press Ctrl T and resize it. Place it here and move the anchor point right here. Rotate it like this. Then press Ctrl Alt Shift and drag this point just like this. Press Enter to confirm it. Since it is too harsh, make it softer by going to Filter, Blur and choose Gaussian Blur. Blur it about 20 pixels and hit OK. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer for the other light. Press Ctrl T, right click on it and choose Flip horizontally and place it right here and you're all set. Before and after. You can watch the complete video on my channel where I have showed 9 more tips.